Okay, students. Today I am going to explain you the temperature dependence of resistivity. Okay, temperature dependence of resistivity. You know about the resistivity. R equal to rho. This is resistivity. Rho is the resistivity of the material of any. You can say conductor, insulator, semiconductor, alloy. Okay. Then what actually happens? For pure conductor, it varies. The variation of rho is temperature is linear. Variation of rho with temperature is linear. You understand linear? Linear relation means direct. Okay? It means when temperature is increased, the resistivity of what? Of resistivity of pure conductors, such as copper. Okay? What I have told to you, that variation of resistivity is not same for all the materials. It means R with change in temperature, resistivity with change in temperature of conductors, alloys, semiconductors and insulators are not the same. सबका क्या कह रहा है कि रेजिस्टिविटी जो होता है आपका क्या है, एलॉय का, कंडक्टर का, इंसुलेटर का, सेमीकंडक्टर, सबका सेम नहीं होता हर मटेरियल का. ओके, देन व्हाट इज द थिंग? रो रेजिस्टिविटी ऑफ द कंडक्टर विथ इंक्रीज इन टाइम इंक्रीजेस लिनियरली. कि जैसे जैसे हम टेम्परेचर बढ़ाएंगे रो किस चीज का, कंडक्टर का, लिनियरली बढ़ता है, मतलब डायरेक्टली बढ़ता है. टेम्परेचर बढ़ा रहा है, रेजिस्टिविटी बढ़ रहा है. ओके, इट इज फाउंड दैट इफ रो वन इज द resistivity of conductor. We are talking about conductor. If rho 1 is the resistivity of conductor at temperature T1 degree centigrade, and rho 2 is resistivity of the conductor at temperature T2 degree centigrade. Okay, here then it is found that rho 2 is equal to rho 1 into 1 plus alpha into theta. Here theta is what? Theta is equal to T2 minus T. है ना, समझ रहे हैं क्या बोले हम कि आपका ये रेजिस्टिविटी क्या है? रेजिस्टिविटी इज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द मटेरियल. ओके, दिस रेजिस्टिविटी इज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मटेरियल, एंड इफ द मटेरियल्स आर डिफरेंट, इट मीन्स व्हाट? इफ इट इज ए कंडक्टर, it is an alloy, it is a semiconductor, or if it is an insulator, then the resistivity being constant will not be the same of all the materials. Okay, then if we talk about the variation of resistivity of a conductor, say copper, it varies linearly. It means what? Rho value of resistivity increases with increase in temperature. Okay. Then what I have told to you, how it varies with temperature. It is found that rho 2 is equal to rho 1 into 1 plus alpha into theta. Here rho 1 is the resistivity of conductor at 1 degree centigrade. Rho 2 is the resistivity of the conductor at 2 degree centigrade. And here, okay, this one is clear to you, this one is clear to, this one is clear to. Theta is what? That is the temperature difference. This is what? T2 minus T1. मतलब आपका ये क्या है? टेम्परेचर कितना से कितना हो रहा है टेम्परेचर, है ना. एंड हेयर अल्फा is known as temperature coefficient of resistance or resistance. Okay, temperature coefficient. Okay, then actually the value of alpha is what? Value of alpha is positive. क्या होता है? अल्फा का वैल्यू पॉजिटिव होता है. किस चीज के लिए? कंडक्टर के लिए. ओके, तो यहाँ आपका क्या होगा? ये थीटा जब ये अल्फा क्या है? पॉजिटिव है, तो रो 2 क्या होगा? रो 1 से ज्यादा होगा, बिकॉज दिस इज प्लस एंड अल्फा इज प्लस. ओके, इट इज क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू. ये हमारा रो 2 जो होगा रो 1 इंटू 1 प्लस अल्फा थीटा. हेयर अल्फा इज पॉजिटिव. अल्फा का क्या होता है? धनात्मक मान होता है. किस चीज के लिए? कंडक्टर, लाइक कॉपर, अल्युमिनियम, सिल्वर. ओके, एंड इट वेरीज फ्रॉम 10 to the power minus 2 to 10 to the power minus. Value of rho varies as from 10 to the power minus 2 10 to the power minus 4 per degree centigrade. Okay, it is clear to you now. Then I am going to show the relation of this with resistance. Relation of rho with the resistance. Okay, then what I have seen here? Here the relation is what? Relation is what? This is rho 2 is equal to rho 1 plus alpha theta. And what we know? Let us say this to be second relation and this is our first relation. Already we know that R is equal to rho Ly. Then what we observe here? R is proportional to rho. Therefore, similarly with the relation 1 and 2, we can say that the resistance of second is equal to resistance of 1. Similar R2, rho 2, R2, rho 1, R1 and 1 plus alpha theta. Okay? Okay? Then here we can write, here we can write here R2 is equal to R1 into 1 R1 1 plus alpha. Okay, R2 equal to R1 into 1 plus alpha theta. Then this can be written as R2 equal to R1 plus R1 alpha or R2 minus R1 equal to R1 alpha. Okay, then alpha is what? Alpha is actually equal to alpha is equal to R2 minus R1 divided by R1 into, then how can we determine the value of alpha? Difference of two temperature. Second, difference of resistance of the two conductor. R2 minus R1 divided by resistance of second conductor divided by resistance of first conductor divided by resistance of first conductor, and theta is what? That is temperature difference. Okay, then I explain you this thing with the help of numerical problem. Okay.